Let's discuss BMW fault code P1187. This code points to a malfunction in the oxygen O2 sensor heater control circuit for bank 2, sensor 2. This sensor, located downstream of the catalytic converter on the opposite side of the engine, plays a vital role in monitoring emissions and ensuring engine efficiency. The O2 sensor measures the oxygen content in your exhaust gases, enabling the engine to optimize the air-fuel ratio for better performance and fuel economy. The built-in heater allows the sensor to reach operating temperature quickly for accurate readings. When the heater circuit malfunctions, the P1187 code is triggered. Symptoms of this issue include a check engine light on your dashboard, decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling, and increased emissions levels. Ignoring this problem could lead to catalytic converter damage and overall performance issues. To diagnose, you'll need an OBD2 scanner, a multimeter, and your BMW's wiring diagram. Use the scanner to confirm the P1187 code, inspect the wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion, and test the heater circuit with a multimeter to check for proper resistance and continuity. If the wiring and sensor seem fine, the issue could stem from the ECU. For repairs, start by replacing damaged wires or corroded connectors. If the sensor itself is faulty, replace it with a new one. Ensure the engine is cool, use an O2 sensor socket for removal, and apply anti-seize compound before installation. Reset the ECU afterward, clear fault codes, and test the vehicle to confirm the fix. To prevent future issues, schedule regular exhaust system inspections, use high-quality fuel, and promptly address any check engine lights. By tackling P1187 early, you'll ensure your BMW runs efficiently and avoids costly repairs. Like, share, and subscribe for more car repair tips.